welcome you all to our GF. Our theatre is special, where we not only show the pride of the nation by singing national anthem, but also provoke your inner peace of harmony by kickstarting the show with the prayer song followed by Tamil titles. May I request everyone to raise for the prayer. Therefore, no one can refrain from doing something, not even for a moment.
Bible reading. I am going to read Colossians 4:6 from Bible. Let your conversation be always full of grace, seasoned with salt, so that you may know how to answer everyone. This verse encourages believers to speak with grace and kindness, adding salt to their conversation. Salt implies wisdom, wit, and gracefulness to our speech. It suggests that our words should be seasoned with grace and thoughtfulness, enhancing our interactions. This verse emphasizes the importance of speaking respectfully and considerately, ensuring that our words edify and positively impact on others. Surah Al-Quran. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghayril maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Qul a'udhu birabbin nas, malikin nas, ilahin nas, min sharri waswasil nas, allazi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas, minal jinnati wan nas. Qul a'udhu birabbil falaq, min sharri ma khalaq, wa min sharri ghasiqin idha waqab, wa min sharri nafasati fil 'uqad, wa min sharri hasidin idha hasad.
To mesmerize you all with this special song. நம்பினார் கெடுவதில்லை நான்கு மறை தீர்ப்பு, நல்லவருக்கும் ஏழைக்கும் அந்த ஆண்டவனே காப்பு. பசிக்கு விருந்தாவான், நோய்க்கு மருந்தாவான், பரந்தாமன் சன்னதிக்கு வாராய் நெஞ்சே. கண்ணன் வந்தான், அங்கே கண்ணன் வந்தான், ஏழை கண்ணீரை கண்டதும் கண்ணன் வந்தான். வந்தான் கண்ணன் வந்தான் அங்கே கண்ணன் வந்தான் ஏழை கண்ணீரை கண்டதும் கண்ணன் வந்தான் கண்ணன் வந்தான் தேடி நின்ற கண்களிலே கண்ணன் வந்தான் தீபம் ஒன்று கையில் கொண்டு கண்ணன் வந்தான் தேடி நின்ற கண்களிலே கண்ணன் வந்தான் தீபம் ஒன்று கையில் கொண்டு கண்ணன் வந்தான் கேட்டவர்க்கு கேட்டபடி கண்ணன் வந்தான் கேள்வியே பதிலாக கண்ணன் வந்தான் தர்மம் என்னும் தேரிலேறி கண்ணன் வந்தான் தாலாட்ட துயர் தீர்க்க கண்ணன் வந்தான் கண்ணன் வந்தான் மாய கண்ணன் வந்தான் கண்ணன் வந்தான் கண்ணன் வந்தான் அங்கே கண்ணன் வந்தான் ஏழை கண்ணீரை கண்டதும் கண்ணன் வந்தான் கண்ணன் வந்தான் உடவர்களை நடக்க வைக்கும் பிருந்தாவனம் மூடர்களை அறிய வைக்கும் பிருந்தாவனம் உடவர்களை நடக்க வைக்கும் பிருந்தாவனம் மூடர்களை அறிய வைக்கும் பிருந்தாவனம் குருடர்களை காண வைக்கும் பிருந்தாவனம் ஊமைகளை பேச வைக்கும் பிருந்தாவனம் குருடர்களை காண வைக்கும் பிருந்தாவனம் ஊமைகளை பேச வைக்கும் பிருந்தாவனம் அடையாத கனவிருக்கும் சன்னிதானம் அஞ்சாத சொல்லிருக்கும் சன்னிதானம் சன்னிதானம் கண்ணன் சன்னிதானம் சன்னிதானம் கண்ணன் வந்தான் அங்கே கண்ணன் வந்தான் ஏழை கண்ணீரை கண்டதன் கண்ணன் வந்தான் கண்ணன் வந்தான் கண்ணா 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 Thank you.
Wow, it was amazing, right?
I don't know whether you noticed it, but they're all in this tree of paper.
Yes, from now on you can witness the entire show more comfortably. Plus, you can witness it full of fun and laughter.
In usual dinner, you could find advertising for show. Am I right?
Yes, of course, but here it's a little informative.
What do you say? We can't get you.
Rather than a boring and dice cut, here are friends ready to perform an informative news bulletin.
Let me later.
Today's international news is read by Vashika of class 6th F. Strike on busy market kills 25 in Russian-held drone strike. Palestinian death toll in Gaza surpasses 25,000 by the prolonged world war. Polish president criticizes EU's exclusive for blocking funds over to national news.
Today's national news is presented by Sangamitra of Class 6 81% of the citizen responses have affirmed simultaneous polls by Ram Minister. Government-funded Science Institutes contributed to Ram Temple Science Minister. Manipur Chief Minister Barain Singh to seek meeting with the Prime Minister. Old Garden of Lam Lalla to be placed in front of the new idol. Over to Rishi.
Today's teacher news is led by Janata Class 6th F. Himalaya's urges state government to meet demands of Jackdaw Geo and prevent strikes. Healthcare sector has huge potential growth, says analysts. State government denies Nirmala's charge of man on special pujas in Tamil Nadu temples today. Thank you. Over to sports news. Good morning. Today, sports news is presented by B. Ravi Krishna. Ranji Trophy Bengal pushes for first innings lead with the tactical declaration quick wickets. FIFA the best Messi edges hammered in key breaker for best match player. Bonmati takes women prize. FIH Olympic qualifies, Paris dream over, questions remain. Over coach Janaki scope match future. Over to weather report. Weather report. Today's weather report is presented by Sarvesh of class 6F. Today's maximum temperature would be 32 degrees Celsius, minimum of 22 degrees Celsius. Over to
Good morning. Today's campus news is read by Pratanya of class 6G. 1 and 2 category has their annual day program on 31st January. Mini sports day is going to conducted on 26th January. The account of Republic Day where primary students are going to take part in it. Group photo section is going to be commenced on 1st February and ends on 7th February. 6 to 8 categories. Group photo section will be conducted on February 3rd. Thank you. Over to Dave.
Good morning. Here Thomas from class 6 to present today's daily discussion. Today's daily discussion topic is Ayodhya Ram Temple. The consecration of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya was held yesterday with Prime Minister Narendra Modi attending the rituals. The Pran Pratishtha ceremony has begun at 12:20 p.m. yesterday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed a gathering of more than 7,000 people, and the temple will be open to the public by today. Thank you. Thank you, friends, for wonderful updates. I'm very excited. Why? The show's gonna begin, right? Oh, okay. So to make more excited, here we have friends who are about to present their beautiful live ethical drama. Hey! Sorry for the interruption. Let me convey that our class assembly topic is etiquette. Etiquette is nothing but a set of rules or customs which have to be followed without fail. It can also be said as good manners or behaviors which have to be carried forward to avoid chaos and act in the right way. There are many etiquettes depending upon the place and also situation, like school etiquette, social etiquette, student etiquette, and so on. Hope you can understand. Let the show begin.
Good morning all. Now we are going to delve into the mini drama that shapes the very fabric of our existence. Life ethics. Life ethics encompasses the principles and values that guides our actions, decisions, and interactions in this journey called life. It is about navigating right and wrong, empathy and responsibility. Without further ado, here is the drama to educate.
Everybody in this world looks so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. Wow. But look at me, very pretty, no words to say, just simply waste. See this peacock, how wonderful it is, with fabulous feathers and scintillating sight. Next, it is cuckoo. It is blessed with one superpower. Next, it is cuckoo. It sounds so elegant, everyone says it's so mesmerizing. But mine, very horrible. At a distance, what is that? Sizzling? Oh my god, that's my enemy! No. Don't mistake me. That's only in color. It is a sizzling swan. It is blessed with one superpower and that it can swim underwater. And because of it, it becomes too white, I guess. But mine, don't mistake me. Since it is winter season, I haven't taken bath for a while. If at all, I would have been a tough competitor.
How long have you taken bath?
Just 6 months, yaar. Is it not to help me? Oh God, please save this little poor crow. Let me pray deeply to find myself as a wonderful, beautiful and an elegant creature.
My dear little poor crow, open your eyes. I am here to help you.
Is this dream? Ouch, it hurts. That is not dream. Is this God? But it doesn't look like God. Oh no.
Stop, my child. I am not God, but the messenger of God.
If at all, you will have solutions to my problems, right?
Yes, of course. Now tell me your queries.
See, this peacock is so beautiful. This cuckoo's voice is so elegant. And this one just looks like a wow. But look at me, a very big question mark. I just want to like any one of them.
Just do whatever I say. If appearance is a problem, then go and talk to peacock, cuckoo and swan and find out whether they are happy and prosperous.
Hi peacock, how are you?
My dear little friend, I am fine. How about you?
I am not fine. I am really worried about my nature and color.
No, my dear friend, you should not blame yourself. I feel you are so blessed than me.
What do you say?
You think with all my goodness and beauty, I am happy. But no, definitely no. See, I have the most beautiful feathers, but no use. Everybody admires my beautiness and in all, they put me in a cage which is a mere tale. But you are so free.
You're absolutely right. Only by now I could recognize one of my strengths. Okay friend, bye. Bye. Cuckoo? Who is that? Oh, is it the cuckoo? Hi cuckoo, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. I think you are in a deep thought and I passed by. What was it?
I was really worried about my horrible voice.
Oh no, why do you bother so? I am blessed with one. But for no reason. I am not good compared to you because I am lazy back where I don't like old shelter for me.
Yes, I forgot, you're right. Now I could realize one more strength of mine.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Hey Swan, how do you do?
I'm good, my friend. What are you doing here?
See, I just came to meet you. See how pretty you are. I admire your strength and nature this women enjoy. With me, black and ugly.
Oh no, Crow, you know something? It's not too easy to be me because body nature rises a lot. That's my nature and you are easy to fly and enjoy according to your wish.
Oh yes, now I could know more about you. Okay friend, bye.
Bye, take care.
Guruji, where are you? Where are you? I need to meet you. Where are you?
My dear child, do you want to be like any of like the peacock, cuckoo and swan? Answer me. I try to help you.
You have opened my eyes, Guruji. Without knowing my trend, I have been admiring and inspiring and fake things just for its appearance. After having a conversation with all my friends, I came to know that I am one of the most happy, most respectable and most beautiful thing in the world. I have to definitely thank God for all the things He gave me as His blessings.
Yes, my child. Now you have understood that everything in this world exists for a reason. Not only to this world and these people over here. I would like to say, be contented with what you have. Don't run behind fake and unnecessary pleasure. Okay, let me leave. Take care all. God bless all.